And do you know the importance of a good credit score? Much like a school report card tracks a student's academic performance, a credit score is a measure of your financial behavior. It's an assessment of how well you manage your money, and it can range anywhere from 300 to 850. Now, you might be wondering, what's a good score? What's a fair score? What's a poor score? Well, generally speaking, a score above 700 is considered good, a score between 600 and 700 is deemed fair, and anything below 600 is seen as poor. And here's why it matters. Lenders, landlords, and sometimes even employers check your credit score. It's a way for them to gauge your financial responsibility. If you have a good credit score, you're more likely to be approved for loans, get better interest rates, and even land that dream job or apartment. So, a good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities. But how can one build and maintain a good score? Building a good credit score isn't as complicated as it seems. It's all about understanding the key factors that influence your score, and then making smart financial decisions accordingly. Let's break it down, shall we? Firstly, we have payment history. This is the record of whether you've paid your bills on time or not. The easiest way to boost this factor: pay your bills on time every time. Set up automatic payments or reminders if it helps. Next up is credit utilization. This is the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. To monitor this and keep your credit card balances low, you can utilize services from TransUnion. They provide detailed reports and insights into your credit utilization. Remember, just think of it as your credit's breathing room. The more room it has, the better your score. A link to these services from TransUnion can be found in the description below. Then, we've got the length of your credit history. The longer you've been borrowing, the more data there is to suggest you're a reliable borrower. So, don't be in a rush to close old accounts, even if you've paid them off. New credit is another factor. Every time you apply for a new line of credit, it can cause a small, temporary dip in your score. So avoid opening too many new accounts at once. Lastly, there's your credit mix. This is all about having a variety of credit types like credit cards, a car loan, or a mortgage. A diverse credit portfolio shows lenders you can handle different types of credit responsibly. By understanding these factors and making a few smart moves, you can pave the way to a good credit score. On the other hand, a poor credit score can have serious consequences. Lurking in the shadows of financial missteps are the potential negative impacts of a poor credit score. Imagine the frustration of facing higher interest rates, the disappointment of credit card applications being declined, or the embarrassment of having difficulties renting an apartment. Even more daunting? The possibility of a dream job slipping through your fingers due to credit issues. The sting of these consequences is not just immediate, but lingers on. It's like a haunting melody that plays over and over, reminding you of past mistakes. Late payments and high credit card balances are not just numbers on a screen, but potential barriers to your financial freedom. This is why it's crucial to sidestep these negative credit behaviors. Like dodging raindrops in a storm, every avoided late payment and controlled credit card balance helps maintain your financial health. To sum up, a good credit score is a key piece of your financial health. It's worth the effort to build and maintain it. In conclusion, your credit score is more than just a number. It's a reflection of your financial health, shaped by factors like payment history and debt levels. It's not just about securing loans or credit cards, but also about demonstrating responsibility and reliability. Improving it requires dedication, timely payments, and smart financial decisions. Falling into poor credit can lead to harsh consequences, affecting your future financial endeavors. Remember, a good credit score can open doors to financial opportunities. So, take steps today to build and maintain your credit score.